Hi guys! Welcome to my channel, Filipina Journey, and here is a vlog. Please like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Enjoy watching! Hi guys! Today is Sunday and it's 10:05 a.m. and this is our setup at this moment. That's my hubby. Just done watching his Sunday news. So it's couch time. And there's my baby here. He's so tired. He just woke up 8 a.m. and now he's so tired. So it's time to recharge some energy. Sleep well, Prince. And today, I have a big problem with our fridge. The water stain here. This white deposits, it's some mineral deposits. So I'm thinking of a cheapest way on how to clean this. So I watched some videos on how to clean it in the cheapest way. See, I'm gonna get rid of this. It's been a question in my head of what is the best possible way to clean this stuff here. It's a mineral deposits. So I'm gonna use white vinegar and a piece of paper towel here. Right. And I'm gonna soak it with vinegar. Alright. So we'll see. I hope this can be taken out. There should be a way to take this out. Do you know how to take this out? I know there's a way, but I don't want to break it. Oh no.
I don't know that it does come out.
It looks like it.
Let's see.
Well, it looks like it's...
Are you sure?
Oh, that's why I told you I don't want to break it.
I don't think it. I mean, I would think it would come out too. Does it slide out?
Yeah. Oh shoot. There, it just locked because of the deposit.
Slides out.
Awesome. Thank you, hon.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, this is mineral deposits, right?
Yep.
And it's a water stain.
Yep.
It's so disgusting.
Yep.
So I'm gonna clean this with using white vinegar and just a paper towel, and let's see how this will turn out. So I'm gonna drain that or soak. Let's see what's the best way. Alright. Let's soak this with vinegar. How about that? Time for a... I have an open one hand by the door of the fridge.
It's too late now.
Oh.
Open this one.
It's fine.
Right?
Yeah. So let's see how this will turn out after a few minutes. So while soaking that one, I'm gonna have a paper towel. Here is my paper towel. Gonna have vinegar. So I'm gonna soak some vinegar and we'll see. We'll just soak this. Oh, look at that. That's so amazing. It's gone so fast. See all this white stuff is gonna be hard staying here. So we'll just soak for a moment. Oh wow, it removes so quickly. Oops, uh-oh. Wow, that's so awesome. Just white vinegar, huh? I was thinking this to buy some chemicals or a cleaner, but I'm pretty sure there's an easy and cheapest way to do this with less frustrations and less time. So this works. It's so easy. Wow. See? Light stains easily remove. See how the heavy stain needs some little bit time of soaking. Wow, look at this. That's so easy. Except for the hard stain. I really don't know how to remove this stuff here. You remember earlier it's all white stain here. Here there's a heavy stain, but it's pretty much gone except for this little one, but it's fine. At least it's all gone. See? Problem solved. With just white vinegar.
History Vault. Stream now over 2,000 of the best documentaries and series, all about history. From ancient civilizations, heroes, and challenges,
It's all gone. Check that out. It's only the heavy stain which I need to scrape it out. It's easy here, and then this is the heaviest stain, so I need to scrape it out a little bit. But the vinegar is really awesome. It removes the stain except for the heavy ones. It's all gone. Stain removed. Less frustrations, so cheap, just vinegar, paper towel, or piece of cloth, however you want it, and water. And I have a scraper to help remove the heavy stain, and look at how it turned out. Perfect. It's clean. Check this out here. So this one here is for the ice cube, and this is for the water here. And since we're using it on a daily basis, the mineral deposits accumulated, and I've been thinking of it for a longer time on how the easiest way to remove those hard stain. When you wipe it, there's still white patches, but with the help of the vinegar, this is the final outcome. Doing good. It's really effective. Just vinegar, water, a piece of cloth or paper towel, which I use, and it removes the frustrations. It's so cheap. And finally, now I know what to use going forward, rather than to buy a cleaner solution that may be worth more than $1 amount, and it's chemical, so I would rather use this vinegar solution. There, how about that? I can use, there's a cube of ice. There you go. So it's now solved. It's clean. White stains gone.